Hey guys, and welcome to a new video for JdeRobot. This time we are going to continue with the series of tutorials we have been making these weeks. But this video is going to be slightly different because this time we are going to work with a real robot instead of simulated ones. And I'm not gonna bore you with the details, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing you have to do is the first very thing is to connect to the Wi-Fi network created by the robot. The network name will be given by the robot name. Okay, this time we're working with kobukiViewer, but they are kobuki A, B, C, and D in the lab. So if you're working with a different robot, you must connect to its own Wi-Fi network. Okay. As you can see here, you have the kobuki and kobuki C networks. We are now connected to kobuki, so that's it. Next, we must connect to the robot PC using SSH protocol. So we specify the name, the IP, and when asked, the password. Okay. You can connect through IP, but for me it's more comfortable to do with the robot name. So if you don't want to use IPs, you only have to go to the /etc/hosts and make a new entry with the IP of the robot and its name, okay? As you can see here. Okay, now we must set a couple of variables, environment variables, using the export command. Okay, so we type export ROS master URI and the URI you are seeing in the video or in the web page. This way you can be sure that the ROS core of the robot and or local host can communicate through ROS messages. Okay, as you can see here in this line of the ROS core command, the robot is publishing its stuff in that URI. So we must export that variable correctly, because if we don't do this correctly, and we will not be able to see the topics generated by the robot. Okay, next step is to set another environment variable. This time is ROS hostname, which is gonna be our local host. So you can type your PC IP. If you don't know what's your IP, you can type the command ifconfig, and you can see the IP of your computer. Okay, and that's basically all the configuration needed to launch the example. So we are now ready to start our server side by typing the following command: ROS launch tesuro robot real launch, and it will show you a trace like this. Now we are ready to configure our client by editing its YAML file. It's located at the /opt/JdeRobot/share/JdeRobot/conf, pretty long path, /kobukiViewer.yml. Okay, and here you can see all the interfaces you can connect to, which topics are related to the topics listed here. As you can see, there is a correlation between the first interface topic, its mobile-based command velocity. You can see this in the configuration file, as well as the cameras. Sorry about this. And it's camera RGB image row, as you can see here. And we are using the same topic for the two cameras because we only have a Kinect. You can see also the autumn topic for the post 3D and the scan topic for the laser. Okay, once the server is running, we can launch our client by typing this command kobukiViewer kobukiViewer.yml, and it will launch the client. You can see the topics he is listening to or subscribing to, and here you have the cameras and the laser. Okay, now you can try to move the robot. You can see my hand there and the laser reading according to what the robot is seeing. Sorry if there is some delay, but the robot is working at 100% of CPU, so it's a little bit laggy. Now you can try to move the robot, and you will notice that it's very laggy. This is because there are so many topics active right now inside the robot CPU, which is a mini PC. So if you want to play it smoother, you may have to create your own launch file with only the topics you're going to use. So you will reduce the amount of CPU charge of the robot. Okay, and that's basically it. If you face any problem at all, or you want to improve the example, write a question in our forum, and we will be glad to attend your request. And that's it for my part. I hope you have find this mini tutorial helpful, and see you in the next video.